So these are all columns, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. And these are all your rows. And then at the bottom you have tabs. Now back in the very early versions of Excel, all you had was one sheet per workbook. But then they brought in the ability to have new sheets, which is extremely useful. So if you want to add another sheet, you just click on that cross there and you get a new sheet, and you can have as many as you like. You can also rename the sheets. So for example, if you want to call this sheet, if you right click on the word sheet, you can then click on rename. So I can call this one London, enter. And then that one I can right click and then rename it. Suppose I want to call that one New York. And I'm going to also give them different colors. So again, if I right click, then tab color, suppose I want this one as blue. You can't really see it there because it's selected, but then if I click away from it, you can see that's a blue background. So I suppose I want to make this one red. So I right click, tab color, have a nice bright red. So if I create a third sheet, you can see there's two. I wouldn't overdo it with the colours, but it can be quite useful if you have many sheets to just find them. I do use the colour thing. And then at the bottom it just tells you if there's anything wrong. So on one of my other sheets I've got a circular reference, for example. This is a useful thing, which is zoom. So if you want to zoom in or zoom out, depending on the level of your eyesight and how much you want to look on a certain page at any one time.